Hey everybody, Jennifer Bell here, and this is Mastering the Minute Medicare Style. Today's topic is the open enrollment period for Medicare supplements. And I want to point out what the importance of this is so that you can know and you can make an educated decision when you first get on Medicare. So Medicare supplements are the type of insurance that you're allowed to get on when you first join Medicare with no health questions. But they have an open enrollment period that lasts for 6 months. So it's the month that you get on Medicare and the 5 months following. That gives you a total of 6 months where you can get on a Medicare supplement without any health questions. After that, the companies that provide Medicare supplements are allowed to ask you health questions if you want to make a change. So this could be a big deal if your health isn't so good or if your health takes a turn. So just know that when you first get on Medicare, this is kind of your golden opportunity to have a Medicare supplement without any health questions and have that type of coverage if that's what you want. Later in life, they can underwrite you and either deny coverage or make you pay more just to have the benefits of a Medicare supplement. As always, if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out and check out my YouTube channel, Excel in Medicare. Hope you have a great day, and this was Mastering the Minute.